At the San Antonio Breast Cancer Symposium, a study was presented which astonished many of those present. Only half of the women aged 40 to 85 who were supposed to be getting a yearly mammogram were actually doing so. As Kelly Dunn reports, the really inexplicable thing is that the women didn't get the mammogram even when they had insurance that would cover the cost.
Last year, Catherine Doomler skipped her mammogram. She had her last screening in February of 2009. Because she's only a part-time resident, she was in and out of town and couldn't fit it in.
I was here this summer and they were booked and I couldn't get an appointment.
So she went back up north without having the test. Then, in February,
I felt a lump. They did a mammogram in the morning at about 8 o'clock. At around 2 o'clock, I had about 6 phone calls.
She went 2 years between a mammogram, and in that 2-year, a mass developed.
It's amazing how fast it happened. In Catherine's 2009 mammogram, there was nothing there.
She came back in February, the end of February, and now there is this lump right here. We went ahead while she was still here and did some additional views. So we brought her into ultrasound to see if it was cystic or solid. It didn't look like a cyst, and so I went ahead and did a biopsy the same day.
Catherine was diagnosed with 2 forms of cancer, and the next day she was scheduled for surgery.
Only 50% of the women are actually getting routine mammography. Most people are not following the guidelines of what they need to, even though their insurance company will pay for it.
Catherine has some advice for other women.
Go to the doctor's office, because if I hadn't have gone to the doctor's office, I probably would have been in deep trouble.
Kelly Dunn, WPTV News Channel 5.